Are you fed up constantly downloading new updates for Kodi and constantly looking around on the internet to find the latest updates and finding out how to download them? Well, stay tuned because I might have found you an alternative. Right, so here we go. So for this video, I've uninstalled Kodi, even though you can see it on there. I can tell you it's not actually there. So I'm clicking on that and nothing's happening, so it's just sitting there. So first things first, we need to go to the App Store. You don't have to do this, I'm just doing it because it helps, you know, if you're a newbie. So I'm going to use my keyboard. First of all, we want to download Kodi, so because I've completely uninstalled it. There it is, Kodi XBMC Foundation. So I'm going to click and download that one. Install. Accept. Takes a few minutes, depending on your network, of course. Takes me a few minutes, or a few seconds actually. Right, once it's installed, open it up. So we got first version 17.6, and as far as I know, there shouldn't be anything on here. So we're going to click on movies, enter file section. Look, it says that. So what we're going to do now is close Kodi. There's nothing on it. Well, Kodi on it, of course. Exit. So we exit out of Kodi. And then what we're going to do is go back onto the App Store. So we're going to go back. And we're going to download configurator for Kodi, complete Kodi. So there's nothing on Kodi at the moment, so we're going to download this program. Install. It does come with a few adverts, which is quite annoying sometimes, but you're getting something for nothing, so you've got to accept something. They've got to make their money. So install this, and then open it up once it's installed. There you go. It didn't take too long, did it? Allow, of course. I'll watch later. So yeah, so if you're a new user, there's a tutorial which I suggest you watch. It's quite a good tutorial. They explain it very well, but we're just going to skip that for now. So in order to shut that white bit down, just click anywhere on here and it disappears, and you've got this left. So we're going to do setup now. So click on setup, get rid of the advert, and I'm going to choose luxury build. The second one down. I don't think they all work yet, but they are working on it, I believe. So get rid of your advert again, click on download. Which is that, get rid of that. Oh, I clicked on the wrong one. It's got to be red. So click on download. Get rid of your advert. And we're going to choose Kodi. So you get three choices there. We only want the Kodi. Scroll down till you get highlighted on next. Right, come on, highlight, there you go. And let it do the install, hopefully, fingers crossed. And hopefully it's all done. Install successful, continue, open Kodi. I'm going to open Kodi. And there you go. Let's see what's on there, shall we? Oh, got wizard on there. I think that's a good one. I'm not sure. Got underdog. Go back. let's check out the movies. Ta-da! Takes a bit of time, but we'll get there in the end. And it saves you putting Kodi on there, or updating your Kodi, I should say. You haven't got to mess about putting all that software on, looking for all your bits. It does it for you, and they tell us it does all your updates automatically. So that's why you need to tick all them other boxes. So quality looks good. I'm not going to show anymore because of copyright. But you know it works. So I'm going to come out of there. Before you go, there's one more little feature I want to show you. Besides updating the Kodi and putting all your add-ons on and all your other bits and bobs, it also comes with another little package, and it's this little thing here. I put it on my favourite so it's easy for me to find, and it's called Exodus. I'll just quickly show you. And there it is, Exodus Live Club. And it's an alternative to Kodi. So not only does it do your updates for your Kodi, it also comes free with another bit of software for you. So it has all the same sort of stuff as Kodi. Movies, news, American news, UK and Canada, health stuff, 18 rated. So we'll have a quick look. So click on movies. We're going to have a quick look at movies. Obviously you're going to get your adverts. So you've got, let's find one that we know will work. Avengers Infinity. Get rid of your advert. Double checking. Takes a few seconds, but just the same as Kodi to find its bits. And there you go. Straight into it. So that's called Exodus. So it's another bit of software. So not only does it do your Kodi and put all your builds on there and does updates for you, it also gives you another program to use besides Kodi, which is Exodus. So with that, if you have any comments, please post them below. If you like my video, please give me the thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.